Student, we are studying about chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms. In this chapter, we are studying about Indian dynasties. So first one, we learnt about Gurjara Pratiharas. Second, the Palas of Bengal and Bihar. Third one, the Rashtrakutas. In last period, we learnt about struggle of for Kannauj and the Shahamanas. Now we are going to study about Rajputs. After the death of Harsha, AD 647, Cholas and anarchy prevailed in the country. The unity of Harsha's empire disappeared. His vast empire fell into pieces and small independent states sprang up. Most of the states were ruled over by the Rajputs, who were continually at war with one another. So a large number of states were being formed, dissolved and formed again the period. From the death of Harsha to the conquest of northern India by the Muslim towards the end of the 12th century AD 647 to 1192 is called the Rajput period. See here, so Emperor Harsha established a vast empire, and when he was alive that time, this kingdom was known as a vast empire. But after the death of Harsha, this Cholas, the Rajchi, they prevailed in the country. They win this kingdom, and after the death of Harsha, the unity of Harsha's empire disappeared, and this vast empire of Harsha fell into pieces. So there are many small pieces, means many small states established, and the states sprang up. Many small states established, and most of the states were ruled over by the Rajputs. Most were continually at war with one another, and these many states ruled over by the Rajputs. These Rajputs, they were fighting to each other. They were war with one another, and that's why a large number of states were being formed, and they dissolved and formed again. So the period from the death of Harsha to the conquest of northern India. So when in the Harsha's time, this was a conquest of northern India, but after the Harsha's death, Muslim toward the end of the 12th century, Muslims invaded on this kingdom, and after the end of the 12th century, means AD 647 to 1192, this period is called the Rajput period. But after that, Muslim invaded on this kingdom. See one more time about Rajputs. Emperor Harsha established a vast empire, but after the death of Harsha, these Cholas win this kingdom, and after the death of Harsha, his empire's unity disappeared, and this empire fell into pieces, and many small states created by Rajput, and many of these states, they were ruled over by the Rajputs, and continuously they started to fighting with each other, and that's why a large number of states, they were being formed, dissolved and formed again. So like this, their fighting were continually started, and the period from the death of Harsha to the conquest of northern India. So this period of Harsha, before Harsha's death, this period is known as a conquest period of the northern India. But after that, after Muslims invaded this kingdom in the 12th century, AD 647 to 1192, this period is called and the Rajput period.